On this video, we are going to show you how to master iPhone voice control. We will cover everything from using Siri to dictating text messages, emails, and notes. So let's get started. Step 1. Setting up Siri. To use Siri, you need to make sure it's enabled on your iPhone. Go to Setting, and then Siri and Search, and make sure that the toggle switch is turned on. For example, there are two options here. To ask Siri by listen for Hey Siri or press side button for activate Siri. You can also customize your Siri settings here. Step 2. Using Siri. To activate Siri, you should turn on or switch on one of those two choices or both of them. For example, I'm going to activate Siri by press side button for Siri. So I will turn on this and I tap enable Siri. When we press and hold the side button, the Siri logo will appear at the bottom of your screen. I will try to press and hold my side button. Hey Siri, open Instagram. Then Siri will open Instagram for you. I will try to press and hold the side button again until the Siri icon will appear. Call Zaid. Call Zaid ganteng. Then Siri will call one of my contacts based on my command. You can use Siri for a variety of tasks such as making calls, sending text messages, setting reminders, and playing music. Just ask Siri what you want to do and it will take care of the rest. Step 3. Dictating text messages, emails, and notes. You can also use your iPhone voice control feature to dictate text messages, email, and notes. To do this, open the app where you want to dictate. For example, I'm going to open Notes app. Then, when we activate the keyboard, tap the microphone icon on the keyboard, and after that you can start speaking and your iPhone will transcribe your words into text. So I'm going to practice it. I tap on the microphone icon. Hello, how are you? Where are you now? I'm really missing you. When you're done, don't forget to tap done. Step 4. Using voice control commands. Your iPhone also has a range of voice control commands that you can use to navigate your phone hands-free. For example, you can say open messages to launch the Messages app, or go to setting to open the setting app. And that's it. Now you know how to use iPhone voice control to its fullest. With these tips and tricks, you will be able to navigate your iPhone hands-free and get more done in less time. Thanks for watching and see you again. Bye!